guys, welcome to Gia's World. This is a July 4th special video. In this video, we're going to be making this StarBurst bracelet. It has all the colors of the American flag, red, white, and blue. What you will need to make this bracelet is your hook, one C-clip, 35 white bands, 35 red bands, 35 blue bands, and your loom. The first step to making this bracelet is placing the border bands. So we're going to place one band from here to here, like this. And now one band from here to here. And now we're just going to go all to the side, like this. Okay, so now I've reached the end of my loom. Now we have to close the shape. So to close the shape, we're gonna put one band from here to here, diagonally. And then from here to there. Now we have to place the bands that make the stars. So now let's make a red star. Taking one red band, we're gonna put it on this peg to this peg, like this. And then from this peg to this peg. And then push your bands down. Then taking another band, put it on this peg to this peg. Then from this peg to this peg. From here to here, push everything down, and then from here to here, like that. Now we're gonna make a blue star. Taking one blue band, skipping this peg, and then going here, stretch one band diagonally to the right, like this. Then take another blue band and stretch it downwards to the right like this. Now take it straight down like that. And then down to the left, and then up to the left, and then here, straight. So now let's make the remaining stars the same way. Okay, so now that we've made the remaining stars, we have to add the cap bands. So now let's make the cap bands. You're gonna place a cap band here, 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 and here. To make a cap band, take your hook, take one color of your bands, place it on your hook like this, and then stretch it, twist it, and place the other end back on. Now pinch it and stretch it, and then grab your loom and place it on one of the middles of the stars. And then take your hook out, like that. And then, now, take a blue band, place it on the hook, stretch it, and then twist it, and then place the other end back onto the hook. And then place it over here. And then take it. So now let's start the hooking process. First band that we're gonna hook is this band. So going under the cap band, grab this blue band, take it out and over the cap band and on back to itself. And you should kind of see like a teardrop Now, going under this cap band here, grabbing the first band that you see on top, taking it out and over, and you can pinch it if you need to, and putting it back onto itself like that. Then again, going under the cap band, taking this first band that you see, taking it out and over and back onto itself. Again, you can pinch it if you want to, like that. See teardrops. And then go under the cap band, take the first band that you see, hook it back onto itself, like that. And then take the band that you see, hook it back onto itself, like that. And then take the last band out and hook it back onto itself, like that. And that's how you made your first star. Now, we're not gonna start directly from here. We're gonna go under this band and grabbing this band, and we're gonna hook it back onto itself, like that, like this. Go under, take it out and hook it back onto itself. Okay, so now that we've hooked all our stars, now we have to hook these border bands, which are white. So going under this red cap band, grab this band, take it out and hook it back onto itself. And then going under the cap band, grab this band, take it out and hook it back onto itself. Then go under these two blue bands and white. Take the last white band, take it out and over and hook it onto itself. Going under the blue, take the white, pinch it if you need to, and hook it back onto itself. Okay, so now that you've hooked all your border bands, take one white band and then go under all these bands on your last peg, and then take the white band, put it on your hook, twist your hook, take it out under all of the bands, and then place the other end back onto it. Make sure that it's under all the layers of bands there. So now we can take everything off the loom. Okay, so now that you've taken everything off your loom, you should have something like this. It might look a bit wonky. So to fix that, all you have to do is just stretch it like that, both the sides. And then you can see that it starts getting more, the bands keep getting in more place. So now we're gonna add the extension. Okay, So take one red band and place it vertically, and then take white and place it vertically like that, and then blue. So now let's start the hooking process. Take your bracelet and take it off your hook, and then place it on the last peg that you put the rubber band on. Now go under the white band, grab the blue band, so this blue band. Take it over and out like that. Over and back onto itself like that. Okay. Then take your C-clip and just put the 2 layers on like that. So once both your layers are on the C-clip, you can take everything off your loom. And like that. And then take this cap band, curl your bracelet over like this, and then cap it on like that. And there you have your super duper pretty American StarBurst bracelet. Please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!